Buongiorno cari clienti di Wine. My name is Umberto Cosmo, and with my family I run this winery that is named Bellenda on the hills between Conegliano and Valdobbiadene. Levis is a fragrant and graceful Prosecco that is the fruit of the selection of grapes from the finest vineyards in the area of Cordignano, Sarmed and Cappella Maggiore, three small villages on the hills north of Treviso. The serving suggestion, Levis is an ideal aperitif wine, while its firm structure and body suit it for pairing with Italian antipasti and first courses of vegetables and fish. In our family, we always had three words to define our work. We consider, we believe, we create. These are the words that constitute the synthesis of what Bellenda is all about, who we are, who work there, our family, and our close bond with our land. Our vineyard that you see behind me is an intimate combination of environment and landscape, the work of both nature and generation of people, of men, that worked always here, and there we find the art of our winemaking vocation. Respecting our vineyard and the environment of which it is a component, it's crucial for achieving that masterpiece of equilibrium, producing a wine that displays at one and the same time the personality of its terroir and that of those who make it. We cultivate not just grape, but rather a systemic life force whose health we must preserve. Bellevine, prosit.